my channel, and we're here at my uncle and aunt's house and my cousins. Lori, want to say hi? We're doing my channel. All right, there she is, back there. That's my, yeah, all right. Yeah, hi. She said hi, and now we're looking at some woodpecker marks. I'm like, they have a lot of good things. You have to see this. Whoa. See those? A lot of animals. They said, my cousin who was right, they said she saw an owl riding a bike. Oh, come in. Yeah, no. All right.
The next one goes.
What is it? What is it? I don't see anything.
It's a dead pup.
I'm scared of everything. Okay, I see a dead bee. It's a...
River monster, you ever watch that? He loves that.
Okay, I'm not showing you, but it's a bee. Dead bee. I'm scared of bees. I'm scared of bees. Really, I'm scared of bees. Alright. This place has a lot of...
Oh yeah, you see the seahorses when they give birth?
Oh yeah, it's like...
And it's the yeah. Remember the seahorses?
Yeah.
What is it? What did you say it was?
Oh.